Hello friends, I'm Alan from Limping Machinery in China. Nice to meet you. Today I would like to introduce a most popular 4-in-1 laser welding machine. This is our machine. Its appearance are composed of blue and white. We also have 1000 power, 1500 power, 2000 power, and 3000 power. Different power can weld different materials and thicknesses. According to your materials and thicknesses, I will recommend a suitable solution for you. This is the control switch. This is the control system. It has 4 functions: welding, cutting, welding steam clean, and remote clean. And the operation is very simple. You can just parameter by it. This is our laser source. This is our water chiller. Our laser source is standard max laser. We also provide other laser brands. The service life of the laser is about 10,000 hours, and the warranty is 2 years. Then the brands of water chiller are S&A and Handy. Its function is to cool the laser and welding head. This is nozzle. This is the well feeding cup nozzle. This is the well feed adjustment frame. This is button. This is QBH link hold. This is climating lens. This is galvanometer motor. This is reflective lens. This is focusing lens. This is protective lens. This is our control main board. This is our switch power supply. Our machine also needs to use auxiliary gas to prevent dust entering welding head. They are put into the pressure tanks. Those are our welding parts, including the nozzle and the protective lens. Their service life is about 600 hours. This is our well feeder, which is divided in single well feeder and double well feeder. They can bear 20 kg and 30 kg respectively. I will recommend the suitable well feeder for you based on the power.
Firstly, there is the welding function. This product adopts the most advanced welding technology, which is simple and easy to operate, saves manpower and material resources, provides efficient work efficiency for production factories, and improves production capacity conversion. Compared with traditional welding methods, laser welding has many advantages. It is fast, safe, easy to operate, perfect welding effect without secondary processing. According to different materials and processing requirements, different power equipment can be selected for processing. Choosing the most suitable equipment is very helpful for production. Second is the cutting function. He needs to select the cutting mode on the software, then change the nozzle to suit the cutting. Then is the welding seam cleaning function. He needs to take the extension pipe, change the welding seam cleaning pipe, and select the welding seam cleaning mode on the software. Finally, the remote cleaning function. He needs to replace the focusing lens and cleaning component, and select the remote cleaning mode in the system.
In addition, it has many advantages compared to traditional welding machines, such as small thermal impact, faster welding, smooth and beautiful welds, high work efficiency, equivalent 15 manpower, and it can be used in many industries, such as kitchen and bathroom industry, door and window industry, furniture industry, auto parts industry, etc.
Lipion, as a global manufacturing company, has been in this industry for many years. We have our own factory with relatively strong production line capacity. We have a dedicated team, including sale group and after-sale service group, which you can communicate with our professional engineers online to obtain the support and solution you want.